if they stole one vote, one, that is something that we should be concerned about. If it was just one polling station where these things happened, we should be concerned about that. But, the import of your question, obviously, is then the scale of what happened then would actually overrate. Exactly. Well, here is the problem. One of the biggest challenges, again, that we have in this country is that if you ask a constitutional body to do things fairly, you're not asking the government, you're not asking Mnangagwa. No, you are asking a constitutional body to be neutral, and so that we can trust whatever they give us. You then can't accept, if that constitutional body does not meet the standard of neutrality, you can't accept anything that they provide you. Everything becomes tainted. And what we saw is that, and you'll see in our affidavit as well, the scale that you are talking about. I don't have the numbers right here, but you will see in our affidavit what that scale is. We truly believe that the scale is big enough for this result to be overturned. We really believe that. We believe that there's over 30,000 votes out there that are suspect, and even more. And it's something that will be proven in court. This is something that's really important for us as Zimbabweans to understand. We should be concerned that the 50.8% is just a fraction above the 51%. And, it really needed to be something that is firm in order for us to trust it. Now, if you have these situations where more people voted at polling stations than they should have, then you question that. You quickly build up, actually, to more than 30,000 voters, very, very quickly. Even just from the number of people who voted at polling stations, who the extra people who voted more than what was registered. You really quickly build up to that.
Thank you. Next.